Hi, this is me, and I am going to teach you starting from Microsoft Office. My first topic is how to start. Topic is how to start MS Office basic course. In first video, we are going to just go through that go through it about what is Excel, what is a Word, what is Excel, and what is PowerPoint. In this video, we are going to tell you what software you are using for this purpose. First of all, I would like to tell you right then here type Word, you get this app that is called Word. Click on it. After that, you get a pre-planned page. That is a pre-planned blank page. You can use any template for your use, for your purpose, for your requirement, for your application. And the first you are looking for, that is a blank document. Click on that, you get this type of document, that is a blank document. After that, when you go there and you select this, you write a letter. This is a letter type. You can write any type of letter by choosing this template. These are built-in templates in Microsoft Word. You are using these application or built-in templates. You can use this template for application writing, for letter writing, for anything you want. This type of application is used by letters for anything else you want. We are here just for example, we are going to try this as letter type. Write a date here, 12 2021, 2022 or 2021. You can use this type of letters. आप इसको ऐसे टाइप कर सकते हैं, राइट टू डियर मैनेजर, मैनेजर Dell company, and you are using this Islamabad. Write out the designation place. Type the recipient name of that manager is Shahid. Type the recipient address. You can use this I-103 Islamabad. You can use any type of situation here. Type the solutions. You can write it, dear manager. We are going to learn about that is what are we going to learn about, what topic we are going to discuss. In this, on the insert tab, the galleries includes items that are designed to coordinate with the overall look of your document. You can use these galleries to insert tables, headers, footers, lists, cover pages, and other documents building blocks. When you create pictures, charts, or diagrams, they also coordinate with your current document look. You can use this document by using your own paragraphs, by using your own creation tables. You can use this by any of the, you can select this by this tab. Write out down the insert tabs by covering blocks, by anything. You can use quick style galleries used to change current quick style set commands. Both the themes galleries and the quick styles galleries provide reset commands so that you can always restore the look of your document to the original content in the current template. By mean of that, you can use any of the kind of template. You can, this is just an intro video. You can stay connected with us for watching more videos and for more introduction and basics videos forward. Thank you very much for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum.